Good morning, one and all. So, today in English, we are going to see poem number one, Ice Cream Man. Okay, so this is your textbook, and this is the front page. Here we have a 10 chapters in English. So, dear students, kindly bring your textbook and read this poem one time and put your finger on each line so you can understand very well. Okay, so this is the first page of Ice Cream Man. Okay, here you can see in this picture one ice cream man is there and so many children they come to take ice cream. Okay, so this poem is written by Rachel Field. Okay, so the writer is amazing and she has written the fiction stories of children. She was also a poet and novelist. Okay, so ये जो writer है उन्होंने poem लिखी है, novels लिखी है. Okay, regarding the children. Okay, children के बारे में भी लिखा है. Now, this poem talks about how an ice cream man brings joy and relief during the scorching, okay, heat of the summer day. Yes. So, and he also brings varieties of ice cream like the strawberry, vanilla. Okay, here he already mentioned that vanilla, chocolate, strawberry. Okay, so many things he brought. Now, the ice cream man becomes everyone's favorite person. Now, just think why he became a favorite person of these children, because he brings ice cream for everyone. Now, here in the second page, yes, so this is the third page. What is cold, sweet, and creamy, and wonderful to eat? Everyone's favorite treat, especially on a hot summer day, is an ice cream, and everyone's favorite person might just be the ice cream man. So, this is the short introductions. Now, let's move. When summer's in the city and brings a blaze of heat, the ice cream man with his little cart goes trundling down the street. Second paragraph. Beneath his round umbrella, oh, what a joyful sight to see him fill the cones with mounds of cooling brown and white, vanilla, chocolate, strawberry, or chili things to drink from bottles full of frosty fizz, green, orange, white, or pink. Last paragraph is his cart might be a flower bed of roses and sweet peas, the way the children cluster round as thick as honeybees. Okay, so this poem is about the ice cream man. If we go in first stanza, we can say that when summers in the city, okay, मतलब कि समर का जो सीजन आता है उसकी बात की गई है, and brings place of heat. Okay, you all have observed these all things. Okay, the ice cream man with his little cart. Okay, what is the meaning of cart? Cart मतलब कि जो आइसक्रीम मैन अपनी जो गाड़ी लेके आते हैं उसमें बहुत बड़ा सा कुछ बक्सा जैसा होता है, एंड सो मेनी आइसक्रीम्स वर देयर. ओके, सो उसको क्या बोलते हैं? कार्ट. गोज ट्रंडलिंग डाउन द स्ट्रीट. ओके, एक जगह से दूसरी जगह पे वो जा रहा है. नाउ सेकेंड पैराग्राफ. Yes, so beneath his round umbrella, oh, what a joyful sight to see him fill the cones with mounds of cooling brown and white. So, as you all know, that जो आइसक्रीम मैन जब भी आता है सो वो क्या करता है, अपनी आइसक्रीम के लिए वो बहुत सारा आइसक्रीम अपनी कार्ट में लेके आता है. ओके, देन व्हाट ही डिड, जो आइसक्रीम होती है, जो वनीला होती है, जो कॉर्न होता है उसके अंदर अच्छे से भरता है. ओके, सो हियर यू कैन सी दिस इज द माउंट्स. ओके, यस. नाउ vanilla, chocolate, strawberry, or chili things to drink from bottles full of frosty fizz, green, orange, white, or pink. So these are the flavor of each ice cream. For example, whether it is the vanilla, chocolate, strawberry, etc. Okay. So here you can see in this picture also. Now third paragraph. His cart might be a flower bed of roses and sweet peas, the way the children cluster round as thick as honeybees. So here the poet compare with the cartman, with the ice cream man and the honeybees also, because whenever this ice cream man came in another different kind of street, what the people used to do and what the children used to do, they really go there, and what they did, वो क्या कर रहे थे सब, आइसक्रीम ले रहे हैं वहाँ से, ओके, लाइक हनी बीज, जैसे कि हनी बीज होती है, उसका झुंड कितना बड़ा होता है, वैसे ही सब लोग यहाँ पे कर रहे थे, ओके। सो दिस पोएम इज अबाउट द आइसक्रीम मैन। जब आइसक्रीम मैन आता है तो बहुत सारी खुशियाँ लेके आता है, आइसक्रीम लेके आता है, डिफरेंट काइंड ऑफ आइसक्रीम्स एंड फ्लेवर्स, ओके, बहुत सारा वो अपना आइसक्रीम सभी बच्चों को अच्छे से देता है और सभी बच्चे बहुत खुश हो जाते हैं। नाउ हियर we can see the new words also. Now in which season is ice cream man popular? Okay, कौन सी season में जो ice cream man है वो बहुत popular है? So we can see that it is in the summer. Who feels joyful on seeing the ice cream man? Okay, कौन बहुत खुश होता है? Okay, so children also feels very happy. Name the different flavors of ice cream man and the ice cream man has in his cart. Okay, so ice cream man brings the different kind of flavor like the vanilla, strawberry, chocolates, etc. Okay, now here, yes, in winter season we can eat hot sandwich, okay, and sip hot tea or coffee. We can also sit around a fire and eat popcorn and rivers and peanuts. Yes. Yes, here you can see on page number 5, list as many summer activities as you can. So इस summer में हम क्या क्या कर सकते हैं? What are the activities? So, swimming, trekking, going for picnic in the evening, drawing sketches, painting, okay, reading short stories or book or novels, etc. Okay. Now group these activities into indoor and outdoor, okay, indoor or outdoor games that you have to mention. Indoor games are playing indoor games are drawing, painting, stories, etc. And outdoor games are swimming, trekking, playing cricket, going for picnic. Now circle the words where you get z sound. One is done for you, so here I already have mentioned. So dear students, here I complete this poem. Thank you. God bless.